Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling. I'm staying in a new bathroom that we just finished remodeling. We took it down to the bare bones and started over. We started with a heated tile floor, have a beautiful freestanding tub that is sitting up on a pedestal with 6x6 timbers. Granite countertops on our custom vanities. A very cool lighted mirror. Custom cabinets. A walk-in shower with a large niche. Just a lot of neat features in this bathroom. RW Design and Exchange was our interior decorator who really came in and put all the finishing touches on everything. It really turned out great. It was such a neat project to work on. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. A nice raised thing. A pedestal down to the bare bones. That kind of bare bones. That was a really good bathroom that catch us on the next update. I don't know what blah, blah. We look forward to something. Blah, blah. We look forward to, oh, dang it.